Today we talk about how can you change your name and username on your Roblox app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click here on more down here. When you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on profile. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on edit profile, just click on it. Here can you change your display name and here your username here. Just click in this sign and here can you change your name. You click on save and here your username here, click on it. And when you so you have to pay here for to get your or change your username here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.